So now we're looking at culture and memory. And for the astute observers, you'd be thinking, well, actually, culture is an environmental factor. And so culture and memory and environment and memory could be the same thing. Yep, I totally agree. I think you could do culture and environment being your cultural dimension, your cultural factor, and then that is affecting memory. But I like to look at the ACEs and hippocampus and biology. I mean, it reviews a lot of things we've already covered, so that's why I put it in there. Anyway, you could take that shortcut. So today we're going to look at flashbulb memories, and like all these topics, just knowing what a flashbulb memory is the first step. The next one, why does culture affect FBMs? I mean, they don't really need to know that so much because we're going to get into that in the next lesson, specifically with cultural dimensions. All right, that's what we assigned for homework. What key terms could they come up with? And I would be encouraging students to think about research methods for the concepts. All right, good short 1 minute video. Covers quite a bit of content, and there's space in the workbook for them to write notes and go over the answers. You Say We Pay, fun game. I've got a video explanation if you haven't played it before. Slides are in the activities folder. And then here, Think, Pair, Share. Where were they when they heard the news of someone famous dying? And then if they don't have such a memory, see if they can, do they have any other memories of receiving some surprise or emotional news? I always share where I can remember distinctly Heath Ledger, Princess Di, and Michael Jackson, but I'm not sure about this generation. Alrighty, here at Chalk and Talk, what are flashbulb memories? Here are some famous deaths that might have caused flashbulb memories, and again, just pointing out that important disclaimer. It's not the event, it's the circumstances they were in when they heard the event. Alright, now Think, Pair, Share. Why? Why do they think flashbulb memories happen? Why is it surprising and emotional news create stronger memories? And hopefully they'll link back and think maybe about cortisol and stress. All right, and perhaps they'll think about the multi-store model of memory with rehearsal as well. Okay, and then here we can put them, show them to the textbook. They can read and find the answers and write the notes in their workbooks. And the simple answer to today's guiding question, why does culture affect FBMs? Because cultural significance of the event will change the rate of rehearsal. Pretty straightforward. And then that's where we get into tomorrow's lesson into more detail. All right. Okay, and then they can take this home tonight and have a discussion. Does anyone at home have any flashbulb memories? Ask mum, dad, grandma, grandpa, and we can report back tomorrow. Okay, nice, easy beginning with flashbulb memory. Just wondering if that would be 60 minutes, that lesson. They seem to go fast when I explain them here on these slides, but anyway, all right. Okay, coming up, we'll look specifically at cultural